Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shirt in Roblox. It's very easy and quick, just watch the video till the end. So here, in the Roblox homepage, let's go to the Creators Hub. To do that, click the Create button. After that, go to the left corner and click Creations. Then click Avatar Items. Then click this section. Then go to the filter and select shirt or t-shirts. Then click Upload Assets. You'll be directed to your files to select images that you're going to use. Just choose what image you like to use. Here, you can add a name here, and you can also add description. And after you're done, click Upload. Just wait for a while and it will be uploaded. And it's now uploaded. Just hit the refresh button and it will show the image. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.